Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Blind spot assist. Let's come around to the back here. And we have 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and GLC 300 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 2,625 with a push-button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio and backup camera. Shifter. Customizable LED ambient lighting. Steering wheel controls. Climate controls. And center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.